And I think this is the first World Bird Fair will be held in Taiwan on September 19th to 23rd. But actually the activities that for today is only 20 and 21st in the Taichung. We are so lucky. We are so lucky. That's because this is very first World Bird Fair will be held in Taichung City, and the location is at the Civic Square, 市民广场. 市民广场. Yes, and the World Bird Fair Council is a global organization, and the purpose represented that I think their work that's representing bird watching activities around the world, and the purpose of the international fair that is to promote the bird conservation and bird watching activities, eco tourism. Yes, and I think because this is very fresh one, finished this morning, and I think there is a total of 30 countries. 30 countries participate this fair this year, and such as Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, Japan, Korea, Mongolia, Australia, India, Brunei, and Cambodia. That's in Asia, and I think in East Africa, Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda in Africa, in Canada, Costa Rica, Colombia, Ecuador, Brazil, and Argentina in America, and also UK, Spain, Italy, and Bulgaria in Europe, etc. And I think because of the geographic reason, I think the most Asian country attend this event. And there's in total, that's 120 booths, the 120 booths at the venue. That's on the September 20 and 21st. And that will that will show, okay, that will show the beautiful vibrant ecosystem of various countries. And the second, that's nature habitat maintenance, 栖地保护. And the third, that will be conservation achievement, 保育的成果. And also they have ecotourism information that includes bird watching plans, and I think they have the bird art works, and also have the advanced optical equipment. Also we have 3 forums. There are 3 forums that include that's about birding watching and bird conservation, and each forum is about 2 hours. That's very interesting topic, because I saw the topic but I didn't memorize, and it's I think very short time. If you are interested, you can attend. I will show you later. And let's guess what how many bird species in Taiwan? Can you get a math? 300, 400, 500? Can you guess?
400.
In this very small island, only 36,000 square kilometers, and there are 686 bird species. Record in year 2023. It is very abundant, and I think that's to promote our Taiwan's rich birding resources and ecotourism. So our government and Taiwan White Bird Federation, TWBF, 台湾野鸟协会, they work very hard and to win and try to get to get this opportunity to have the opportunity to come to Taiwan to have the first World Bird Fair, I think, and I think the goal of the fair is to invite both domestic and international travel operators and bird conservation organization and related group to participate. This I think the bird watching. Attracting bird watcher to come to Taiwan, and to promote our tourism and our birding resource. This is the first time of TWBF to do this work, and it's really hard work because it's from zero and to make this event come. So they spend a lot of time. They already spent about 1 year, for about 1 year. And I'm very fortunately, Estella invited me to be the volunteer, and then we were there for 2 days. And I hope if you are interested in bird watching, if you are you like traveling, you are a nature lover, you have time, please come to visit the World Fair. I think it is worth you to go there. And I think this is the first time, and I hope you can. I'm sorry, because I just got cold last year, last month, and I get nervous, yes. And later I will test the information to our line group. Okay, thank you.